In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image banner on Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to place a banner on the page you want, customize how it looks, and make sure it appears properly on both desktop and mobile. First, log into your Shopify admin account. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Online Store, and then click on Themes. This is where you manage how your store looks and which theme you're using. Next, find your current theme and click on Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your store on the right and the list of sections on the left. Now, navigate to the page where you want to add your image banner. This could be your home page, a specific landing page, or another page you've created. Use the page selector at the top of the editor to switch to the correct page so you can see exactly where the banner will appear. On the left side, click Add Section. A list of available sections will appear. Scroll through that list and select Image Banner. Once you select it, a new banner section will be added to your page and you'll see its settings appear in the sidebar. From here, upload or choose an image from your library. If you'd like to display two images side by side, make sure to upload a second image in the Image 2 slot. This is a simple way to create a split banner layout. Now it's time to customize the look and feel. Adjust the overlay opacity to control how dark or light the overlay is on top of your image, which can help your text stand out. Set the height of the banner by choosing options like Adapt to First Image, Small, Medium, or Large, depending on how prominent you want it to be. You can also choose an animation style, such as None, Ambient Movement, Fixed Background Position, or Zoom in on Scroll, to give your banner a bit of motion and personality. Under Content, set the position of your text and buttons. You can place them at the top, middle, or bottom, and align them to the left, center, or right. You can toggle the content container on or off, and choose a color scheme that matches your brand so the text stays readable on top of your image. For mobile layout, decide whether you want to stack images by toggling that option on or off. You can also adjust alignment and the content container specifically for mobile, ensuring your banner looks clean on smaller screens. There's also an option to reveal sections on scroll, which you can turn on or off depending on how dynamic you want the page to feel. If you're comfortable with code, you can also add custom CSS for more advanced styling. When you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to click Save. That's all you need to add and customize an image banner on Shopify.